Hi boys and girls, welcome to your math lesson for today. Today is Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. Today we are beginning a new unit, Unit 14, Addition. The supplies you're going to need for this assignment are your math textbook, a pencil, and then if you would like to do our extra activities or my demonstration at the beginning, you're going to need your number bond sheet from last week. And if you don't have that anymore, you can just make yourself a new one. Some sticky notes, some small objects. So I chose pom-poms again. I like my pom-poms. And yeah, your pencil or a marker to write on the sticky note. Go ahead and pause the video and collect those items if you need to. Okay, we should be good to go. So let's turn to our page. Page 49 in our textbook. Pause the video if you need to turn to your page. So on this page, boys and girls, we have a bunch of animals. Well, let's look at each of our groups of animals here. Let's start with the birds. Here we have a group of birds. Now some are on a branch and some are on this little bird stand here. Boys and girls, how many birds are on the branch? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. How many birds are on the stand? Let's count. 1, 2. Now, boys and girls, how many birds are there all together? Let's count that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 birds all together. Let's look at the puppies. Now let's pretend that there is these puppies here and then these puppies over here, okay? So how many puppies are there on the bottom here? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Now how many puppies are up here in this top section? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many puppies are there all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now let's look at these kitties. Now, boys and girls, let's split these kitties up by the mama kitty and the little baby kittens. So how many kittens are there, boys and girls? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. And how many mama cats are there? Let's count. 1. Now, how many cats are there all together? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the beginning of addition. Okay, so let's turn the page to page 50. Just gonna move this aside for a second. And I'm gonna plop this up here. Now this is where we're going to need our number bond sheet, if we still have it, or you can just watch Mrs. Peterson too, that's fine. So on this page, what we're going to be doing, I'm just going to move this off. It says add. Write the numbers. So what they've done, boys and girls, if they have given us 2 different ways to make our number sentence. Here's one way to do it. 2 plus 3 equals blank. And then here's another way, and that's through our number bonds, and that's what we were working on last week. Let's begin by making our number bond. So Mrs. P is going to use her small objects to fill in up here, okay? So I need to get 2 pom-poms, 1, 2, and then I need to get 3 pom-poms. 1, 2, 3. Now what I'm going to do is use these to figure out how many there is all together. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take my sticky note and stick it on here so I can reuse my little template. And put a 5. 5. Okay, now I can use this information to fill in my answer. Now a different way you could do it is you could just use the birds that are on here too. So let's first put our 5 here in our book. And now let's look at the way that they've done it with the pictures. So here it says 2. There's 2 birds on the stand. 1, 2. Plus 3. How many birds are on the bench? 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we need to figure out, this means equals. We need to figure out how many there is altogether. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here, boys and girls, they showed us 2 different ways to make this number sentence. One way is to show it by doing it this way. 2 plus 3 equals 5. And then another way to show is through our number bond. 2 and 3 equal 5. I'm going to show you one more example, and then I'm going to let you go ahead and finish these 2 pages because they're pretty much the exact same. So let me help you with one more, and then I'm going to let you try it on your own. Okay, let's look at our number bond. I'm going to need 4 in my first circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to need 3 in my second circle. 1, 2, 3. Now I need to figure out how many there is all together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to write a 7 in my number bond here. 4 and 3 equal 7. I'm going to write 7 in my circle. And then I'm going to look at my puppies and do it again, because this is a different way to remember to show our addition sentence. Let's look. 4 Dalmatian puppies, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 3 puppies, 1, 2, 3, equals what? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Or 4 and 3 equal 7. Boys and girls, I'm going to get you to pause the video and finish page 50. And you're going to finish page 51. Because page 51 is the exact same pretty much as this page. If you need any help at all, make sure to pause the video, ask your moms and dads, or go back and watch my number bond.